In this video, we are going to jump into some of the memes which you have all nominated for this video, and thanks to you all who's been watching my last 4 videos right over here, where I've mentioned quite actively if you like me to discuss any other memes. And for this video, it is dedicated for everyone who has put up a meme that they would like me to talk about. So without any further ado, I think we all know what time it is, and it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. The first meme that we're going to be talking about, that's going to be Gummy, the OG Gummy on Solana. Okay, so what do I think of Gummy? Where do we reckon we're heading, and how we broke a structure to see a continuation to the upside? Yes guys, we are certainly seeing something very close to along those lines, because as you can see from the chart, it looks like we are on the cusp of literally blasting away to the upside since we saw the volume kicking in right from here. But before we get into that, the market cap is at $10.11 million. We are up on a day 7.97, well, actually 9.12% on a day. And the current price is at 0.01282 cents. So let's take a closer look at the chart. Alright guys, so it looks like that we could be powering away from this level right over here, because we've seen some lovely little volume being kicked in. So I reckon at least between now till the all-time highs, this would be potentially a good trade to get in. But we are going to zoom in a little bit more, because just by doing that, we see that we haven't yet cleared this level right up here. Only until we get there, then I'll be looking to quite possibly get into Gummy for a quick trade between here to the next leg up. That would give us a lovely 277% move to the upside. So that's not too shabby, that's close to 3x. But for anyone who's really bullish on this project and are a Gummy Theta and are Gummy Maxi, then guys, right now it'd be a perfect area for reaccumulation before that pump to the upside, because even if you have got in now, between now to the last all-time highs, that is at 1069% move to the upside. However, if you do measure from the top of the wick, what is that? That is 1574% move to the upside. You can quite easily turn your $100 into $1574. So guys, you let me know in the comments if you all are bullish on Gummy, or whether you've held up here and decided to sell all your position. And maybe let me know guys if I'd convinced you that this could be a potentially good trade to the upside. Remember guys, this is not financial advice, showing exactly what I see and what are the potential rewards to risks, because in the game of memes guys, remember, we all have a chance to lose all of our monies, but with some decent research, then you can decide on what you want to do with your money. Remember guys, with great risks there are always great rewards. Potentially we could see a lovely reward back to the upside. How much more higher can we go? Well guys, let's take a look at the tokenomics, and it looks like in terms of circulating supply, it's only at 792 million in supply, which is pretty decent amount actually. So potentially we could see a rush to the upside from here. Potentially we could see 100x. I reckon we could see 100x for Gummy during a bull season. How much more higher? Well guys, the time could only tell how much higher can we go. But until then guys, just make sure that you only trade with what you can afford to lose. Potentially we could see a nice run up to the upside for that 1574% move to the upside. But anyway, let's quickly jump into the next meme, and that is going to be Birddog, because the market cap is at $3.02 million. We're up on a day 15.72% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.003031. So let's take a look at the charts. Alright guys, look at that. we did see a lovely volume to the upside. We did see a lovely short little run to this level right up here, and now it looks like we're seeing some cooling off. And it's usually during this sort of time over here will be the perfect reaccumulation phase before we continue our way to the upside. We are not too far away from the last all-time high, so potentially we could see a blast to the upside to the last all-time highs. And once we do break this important final resistance line up here, then we are on the way to that 10x followed by 100x and most likely 1000x during the bull season. In order for us to see a 1000x from here, the market cap would need to reach at $3 billion, which is extremely doable during that bull season. I'm still mega bullish on this project, but guys, do let me know in the comments whether you are as well. Now, why don't we get into a particular funny meme? It's not even on my list, but as you can tell by my thumbnail, the next meme is gonna be Trump. The market cap is at 31.81 million. We are down on a day at 4% and the price is at 31 cents. Now, the reason why I bring this to your attention, because obviously the audience has spoken, and secondly, if we take a closer look at the charts, that I had already gone into the trade down here, because if you watch one of my last videos on Trump, well, actually one video just dedicated to Trump, that we've placed this trade right over here. So far we are in a pretty decent profit to the upside. Right now it looks like we could see a cooling off period, and if we do, actually yeah, it is more than likely we could see a cooling off from here. So potentially I wouldn't exit this trade right now. I'll look to add more if we do come back down into this level right over here. So anywhere around about here will be a good re-entry for that continuation to the upside. Either way, guys, we could also see a fake out to the downside. We might just go parabolic to the upside from here. That's why it's always worth keeping this trade on over here. But just in case if we do pull back, I'll be adding a little more down here for that continuation to the upside. Even from the current price right now to the last all-time highs, that is approximately 441% move to the upside. We can still make a lovely 4x move from here. Overall, if you take a look at this chart, it does look pretty bullish for me. The setup is absolutely amazing. It looks like we are on the cusp of blasting away to at least around about there, or at my preferred position, which would be right up here. But anyway, guys, do let me know in the comments whether you are bullish on Trump, and if so, let me know, guys, if you're holding Trump within the comment section. Anyway, guys, also don't forget, keep submitting the coins that you'd like me to talk about in my next few videos, and I'll be happy to do so. So where do I reckon we can go from here? Well, guys, for starters, it is a brand new meme in the sense of it hasn't seen any other bull season. Secondly, since its inception of the coin, we have formed a lovely chart setup. So from here, I reckon we can quite easily see more than 10x. In fact, let's take a look at a circulating supply. It's only at 99 million, which means this could be very similar to Success Kid in a sense of it's extremely low circulating supply of a meme. With that said, and the market cap is already quite high at 32 million, well, it's not really that high at all. We could quite easily see Trump go up to 10x away from here at $324 million, and then 100x at $3.2 billion. However, now it depends what happens during the presidential race and also the bull season kicking in. Potentially we could see Donald Trump reach, who knows, maybe even 13, maybe even $30 billion. If that's the case, then we could see potentially 1000x from here. But you let me know in the comments whether you reckon that Donald Trump could reach $32 billion. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off now. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to Write within the comment section which other memes you would like me to cover for the next couple of videos. Until then, guys, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I will see you all in the next one.